The most common accident types that I and Clifford Law Offices handle when it comes to rail include pedestrian strikes, vehicle strikes, and train derailments. Generally speaking, what you're going to find as being the causal mechanism for these accidents and injuries are the failure to properly maintain the tracks, the failure to properly maintain the rail cars, and the failure to properly train the employees of the rail companies. With any train derailment, pedestrian strike, or train vehicle strike, there are always overlapping areas of authority. So for instance, when you take an interstate or intercity passenger railway like Amtrak, they're oftentimes traveling on tracks that are owned by other entities like BNSF. While those train tracks are traveling through large population dense areas, they're traveling sometimes at the level of city streets, sometimes above them, but almost all the time they're intersecting with other roads. And those roads are controlled and maintained by local municipalities and sometimes groups with state authority. So seeking to uncover the actual liability is a central focus of the organization here at Clifford Law Offices, and it will be the focus of the investigations that we undertake. When it comes to trying to figure out the nature of a railway accident, we deploy a number of investigators directly onto the scene. Accident reconstructionists, individuals with expertise in the rail industry specifically, to look at the state of the underlying substructure of the tracks, the ballasts, the ties, and we also deploy individuals who are going to look into the human factors in the incident, and that comes down to the efforts that were undertaken on the train just prior to the incident. And we'll generally follow that information all the way up the food chain to the top of the organizations to see whether this was an incident that was isolated to the individual train at issue, or if it is something that is more systemic in nature. So we leave no stone unturned when we're trying to investigate the causes of any railway incidents.